Hey guys, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So for today's look, I did a pink and yellow look. I saw a picture on Instagram and loved just these two colors together, so I decided to do it, and it's kind of giving me like Starburst vibes. So if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys get notified anytime I post something new. And if you guys want to see what I used for this makeup look, then keep on watching. So to start, we're going to pick up a ColorNor CN154 brush and pick up the color B and pack that onto our lid, slightly just blending that. Kind of into our crease, but not too much. We're mostly just focusing it on our lid. Using a Morphe M456, I'm going to pick up Skip from the James Charles palette, pack that onto my crease, and then blend that out with a Morphe 433 brush. Using a Real Techniques brush, I'm going to pick up canvas and blend out the pink on my lip. And now I'm going to go in with a small detailing brush, the NYX glitter primer, and put on the gold on top of the yellow only. Tapping very lightly because I don't want too much glitter, just enough to kind of give a little bit of a pop. using my NYX matte liquid liner, I'm going to apply a very thin line on my lash line. I'm going to go back in with Skip with a Morphe M456, the same one we used in our crease. I'm going to go in with my little detailing brush that I put my gold glitter on and pick up Sister and Literally from the James Charles palette and pack that into my corner because it does have a little bit of gold glitter still on it. Okay, so I put my lashes on off camera and I use Kylie's Candy Cake for my lips. I just dabbed it on my lips and blended it out with my finger. Alright, that was the final look for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and enjoyed today's look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.